everyone, this is Shayla from the main branch of CCPL, and today I'm back with another food literacy video. This time it is on healthy Thanksgiving side dishes. This is going to be kind of a 2-video series where I will show you like 2 very healthy dishes that you can do in place of your regular Thanksgiving sides. The first one that we're going to do today is going to be mashed sweet potatoes with apple butter. This can be a very good alternative to your regular mashed potatoes. So the ingredients that we have, you're going to need 4 pounds of sweet potatoes. You're going to need your apple butter, and apple butter is basically like concentrated applesauce. You can see it's a lot more pureed than regular applesauce. It gives it kind of a butter-like texture. Then you're going to need 6 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. And you're going to need like a little bit of salt just to taste. Now what we're going to do with our sweet potatoes, you're going to take a fork and we're just going to stick the sweet potatoes just like that, and we're going to put it on our large sheet pan over here. And you'll continue to do that with the other ones. So I have about 5 sweet potatoes here. And basically you're just, reason why you poke them with fork to get enough circulation in. You don't have to put too many of these in here, just enough. Okay, so here we have all of our sweet potatoes that are pricked with the fork, and now we're going to put this in our oven that is preheated to 350 degrees, and it's going to cook for 1.5 hours until they are fork tender. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven, and I'll be right back. Okay, our potatoes have been in the oven for 1.5 hours and they are out, and I have already peeled 4 out of the 5 potatoes already. So I'm just going to show you how to peel the last one. The skin should come off pretty easily. I'm just going to peel it like that. Just make sure you have like another pan or a bowl nearby for the waste. And you can also use like a fork to kind of scoop it out. Okay, that was pretty easy. So now we have 5. We have 5 of these potatoes. So what I'm going to do now, it's going to take our potato masher and start mashing the potatoes. Now, if you don't have a potato masher, you can also use the back of a fork. We're just going to go ahead and just mash our potatoes. Okay, that should be good right there. Okay, and now we're going to add our other ingredients. We have our butter. And we have our apple butter. And then we're just going to put in a little bit of salt. Just to season it a little bit. We can always put some more in, but you can't take it out if you put too much. Okay, and we're going to take our potato masher and just mash all of that in. It does help if your butter is actually room temperature to mash it in. Sometimes cold butter does not melt nearly as quickly. Okay, and there we go. Everything is all mashed. Now you can season this a little bit more with some salt once you take a little taste of it, just to see if it's to your liking. If not, you can add some more salt if you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and show you the final product. So here is the final product of our mashed sweet potatoes with apple butter. It turned out really well. You can do one or two things with this on your Thanksgiving table. You can replace your regular mashed potatoes with this item, or you can serve this alongside your mashed potatoes and gravy, so your family can have like a second option if they don't want regular mashed potatoes. Now this is going to be a part of a 2-recipe take and make that's coming to the main branch later this fall, so be on the lookout for that. It's going to be included in a take and make for Thanksgiving place cards, so that should be a fun activity to do for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please look out for the second video for the healthy Thanksgiving side dishes, and hope to see you soon at the library. Bye!